We are presenting you a Noble House residential project in the midst of the Aligarh city. Inspired by the Arabian and European style architecture interior, the Concept Home Construction started a luxury series of homes in India. This is a truly first of its kind. We believe in trust, so we offer you a living environment, unparalleled quality, exceptional in every form. We are redefining luxury living to creating the exclusive combination of an extraordinary location with stunning views, modern design, privacy, and an authentic experience. The Concept Home Construction is the first in Aligarh city that gives you a luxury feel with green and smart concept of engineering. We includes every amenity from natural garden, a pool, fine dining, modular kitchen, dressing room, spacious lounge to smart lighting and customized wardrobes. Minor details has been considered by our engineers, curated and redefined. Crafted with super quality of materials, nothing short of stunning. So we inviting you to join the very special world of the Concept Home Construction. Welcome to the new project of Concept Home Construction. This is a single family home designed in the form of duplex. There is a portion of drawing room of size 13 by 13 feet. We have provided aluminum glass sliding windows in black finish in the whole duplex. Whereas the branded curtains hanging on brass bracket makes the window more elegant. A strong form of teak wood door enhances the aesthetic of this dwelling. Connected to every room, we have given a separate W/C to increase the functioning of home for an individual. With the aesthetics, our architects also considered the natural airflow and sunlight up to every corner of this home, so we have given a separate deck to provide proper ventilation. The effect of false ceiling with cob light and branded fan in a wooden finish makes the look of this home highly mesmerizing. Now moving towards the living area of this residential home. The total size of living area is about 25 feet by 16 feet. Our structural designer team designed a spiral unit of this staircase that connected the ground floor to first floor. A wooden form of railing with black strip of iron makes this spherical staircase more appealing. The interior designing team of Concept Home Construction makes this innovative form of false ceiling with inbuilt lighting system. A special remote sensing fan matched with the theme of living area that makes the whole ambience more beautiful. This is a second entry from outer side with a proper 4 feet of spacing. To make the underneath portion of the staircase more functional, we plan it 1 feet below the flooring of home. Area can be used as a period room. This is a glass window of size 8 by 8 feet. glance this glass window here to enjoy the view of this garden from sitting area. Where is the premium quality of basin and tap with cabinet makes this living area more beautiful. This is the daylight view of outside garden from the sitting area. The family can enjoy this view with morning tea. Now coming to the most important area for a woman, that is kitchen. Here is a projected wall is made with metallic rustic paint to make this small space more appealing. This is a semi-type open kitchen according to the requirement of our client. Our interior designers give the classical effect of colors to make this kitchen more attractive. This is a sink area for washing the utensils as well as fruits and vegetables. A separate tray is also given in this unit for cutting purposes. The moving type of flexible mixer with hot and cold water facility makes the washing of utensils more comfortable. Whereas the objective of this small unit is to dry the wet utensils. Coming to the corner shelf that can be used to store the heavy stuff. Adjacent to this, a 4-burner built-in hob unit is installed with a sensor chimney. We can start it and increase its speed by signing our hand from left to right. And similarly, it can be stopped by right to left indication. To store the glass or cup or spices, we have provided inbuilt storing units with light facility. You can see it here. Adjacent to this, a shutter is given to place the mixie and other useful stuff. This is a tall unit, an optimized form of storage. We can place different type of packets and boxes in this small area. A fruit basket is provided that can be visible from both the area of kitchen in living. This empty space is for inbuilt oven. We can place it here. Whereas in this area we can install our refrigerator. A dishwasher area is also provided to wash the used form of utensils. Now moving towards the master bedroom adjacent to kitchen. Similar to all doors, this is a teak wood door with iron pipe framing to protect it from termite attack and make it lifetime. The total size of the master bedroom is 16 by 13 feet. Adjacent to double bed, a study table is provided as a part of wardrobe. The back wall is fully utilized for the storage purpose in the form of multiple types of wardrobes or almiras. The hanging lights with lining wall paint makes this bedroom more beautiful. A small dressing room is constructed that is connected with master bedroom. This is a small and simple type of dressing table. A 7 by 10 feet washroom is provided in connection with this dressing. A ceiling shower with blue cob light gives this bathroom an amazing look. All the bathroom fittings are branded, that is of Jaguar. The bathing area is separated from toilet area by 12 toughened glass to stop the spilling of water. A granite stone in black finish with white brass molding is fitted in the staircase. Now moving towards the first floor of the duplex, this area is specially designed for a small home library. A clay wall showcase is made to place the different class of decorative pieces. Now here is the blue wall with white ceiling of the library section make the feel of this area very peaceful. A large clock is placed on the front wall so it can be seen from ground as well as upper section. This is a portion of chandelier hanging that can be installed in future. To connect the individual with the environment, another sliding window is provided here to enjoy the outer beauty. The second bedroom is constructed on the first floor that is of same size as ground floor. An artistic POP ceiling makes the feature of this room more striking. The full wall wardrobe is provided on the side wall with the cloth hanging and storage facility. A small sofa below the upper storage makes this area easy to use. And finally, this is the cloth washing and drying area. We can place our washing machine here. This is a daylight view of washing area from sleeping bed. Proper sunlight and air circulation can be felt from here. This is a dressing room of first floor. Here is a dressing table. The bedroom of first floor is indirectly connected with bathroom through this dressing area. A small basin unit can be seen on entering the washing area. An adjacent toughened glass separates the bathing area from rest of the water closet. Both kind of toilet seat is provided here according to the requirement of our client. All the branded fittings and tilings are used here that enhance the look of entire bathroom. This door is connecting the library area with the outer space of balcony. With full pleasure, you can enjoy the evening tea here. We can come here through outside as well. The second staircase connecting the multiple floors of this duplex. Schneider branded electric switches is provided to make the electric fittings last long. This library area also connected with the guest room that has multiple entries from inside as well as from outside. Good quality wall painting is used to make this home good looking. This is the second entry of guest room connecting this floor from outside staircase. This is a specially designed Arabian style Majlis area. You can enjoy the outer view by sitting here. Similar to the ground floor, a small attached water closet is provided here. This is a small duct providing good air circulation throughout the home. This outer staircase moving up to the second floor Mumti area. It gives a scenic view, especially in rainy days. Here you can sit and enjoy the outer space.